Got empty plastic bottles piling up? Don't toss them out just yet. Let's turn them into something amazing. First up, a no-sew zipper case. Perfect for storing your small essentials. Take 2 plastic bottles and cut them to your desired size. Clean them thoroughly. Use a zipper from an old item, cut it to fit the bottle rims, and glue each end to the cut edges of the bottles. Decorate your new case with paint, markers, or fabric to make it uniquely yours. Next, let's create a bird feeder to invite some feathered friends to your garden. Remove the cap and make small holes at the base for drainage. Puncture 2 holes near the base on opposite sides. Push a stick through these side holes, leaving enough length on both sides for birds to perch. Cut 2 holes above the perch, about 1 inch in diameter, for feeding. Fill the bottle with birdseed, replace the cap, and hang it outside. Project 3, bottle cap mosaic art. Turn those bottle caps into vibrant mosaic art. Collect and clean. Gather a variety of colored bottle caps and clean them. Design layout. Sketch your design on a sturdy base like cardboard or wood. Assemble. Arrange the caps according to your design and glue them in place. Let it dry completely. Project 4, DIY drip irrigation system. Keep your plants hydrated with a simple drip irrigation system. Prepare the bottle. Poke small holes around the lower half of a clean plastic bottle using a hot needle. Install. Bury the bottle upside down near your plants and fill it with water. It will release moisture slowly, keeping the soil damp. With a little creativity, those plastic bottles can find a new purpose. Try these projects and share your creations with us.